Welcome to our video. Today we will show you how to improve your co-working efficiency using Wondershare Virbo. Co-working is becoming increasingly important in today's business world. To achieve a more efficient co-working, one key aspect we have to ensure is that most staff should be proficient in using internal software. Luckily, Wondershare Virbo is here to help. With Virbo, you can quickly create an introductory training video on internal software, without the need for a real person to appear on camera. All you need to do is choosing a template, importing tutorial text and media, and selecting avatar and voice, then you can create the full training video in just several clicks. With the help of Virbo, your employees can quickly become proficient in the use of in-house software with the visual training materials. These training videos are both engaging and informative, and are proven to be more effective than traditional training methods. So, are you ready to take your co-working efficiency to the next level? Download Wondershare Virbo today and start experiencing its amazing benefits.